Netgear Insight WAX630 Access Point Full Setup. 1. Unbox and connect the AP. Take out the WAX630 and plug it into a PO switch or use a compatible power adapter to turn it on. 2. Download Netgear Insight app. Install the Netgear Insight app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. 3. Create or log into Insight account. Open the app and log in or sign up for a Netgear Insight account. 4. Add the WAX630 to Insight. Tap the icon in the app to add a new device, then scan the QR code on the AP to register it. Five. Connect the AP to the network. Ensure the AP is connected to your network via Ethernet for seamless setup. 6. Configure SIDs. In the app, set up Wi-Fi networks, SIDs, for different user groups or devices. 7. Adjust security settings. Customize security options such as WPA3 or other encryption settings. 8. Set VLANs if needed. If required, configure VLANs to segment network traffic by groups or functions. 9. Save and apply settings. Confirm your setup and save changes to activate the configured settings on the AP. 10. Verify connectivity. Test Wi-Fi connectivity on different devices to ensure everything works as expected.